Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if you are watching YouTube on your Windows 11 laptop or computer but there is no sound. So to fix this, first right click on the speaker icon on the taskbar. Now click on open volume mixer. Here you will see this volume slider. Make sure it's turned all the way up. Now you'll also need to check the output device. Make sure you have selected the right output device from here. Now scroll down and check your browser here. As you can see, my browser is currently mute. I can easily unmute it from here. Additionally, you will need to expand it and then check the output device as well. Make sure it's set to default, or you can also select your preferred device from here. Now finally, all you have to do is open Google Chrome or any other browser that you may be using and right click on the tab at the top and select unmute site. Once you do this, your YouTube video should play sounds. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe.